Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov Neon here with me for a quick review. This is a really cool knife, guys, made by Shirogorov. This is a Monkey Edge edition because it has this pretty cool frag pattern going on. This is a titanium frame lock with an overall length of 7.75 inches, roughly 4-inch long handle and 3.5-ish inch long blade. Really cool milling on the titanium here, stone washed. It's beautifully finished, nicely done frame lock, 100% Monkey Edge. Killed it with this one. This guy has a nice titanium 3D milled backspacer. Would you look at that? Lanyard hole integrated, beautifully done. Nice stone wash finish. M390 blade, beautiful swedge, nice jimping going on. Basically almost full belly. Right over here, 2.7 ounces in the pocket, almost full flat grind. This guy runs on multi-row bearings made in Russia. It's gonna be around $700, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.